Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am gonna tell you how to prepare or how to study law for your CMA Inter Group 1 paper 6. First and foremost, you need to follow strictly the study material provided by the ICMAI Institute. Okay, so now you have taken tuition for law or not, that doesn't matter. All wanna share with you is that how to get ready by yourself for the theory subject like law, that the same thing you can follow for your audit SM as well. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Take a notebook, institute material, different color pens, highlighters, sticky notes to make your boring subject, that is theory portion, colorful and attractive, beautiful, interesting also. Make flowchart to remember the concept. Remember flowchart you used to make in your childhood days in school? Suppose, take the definition of contract, break the definition, that the way I am showing you here, into two various parts, that is up to you, and then color it with highlighter. Write your notes with various color pens. The concept which you can remember at one time, write it in the sticky notes. If then also you can't remember, then record your voice in your mobile phone and listen it number of times. Create a playlist of law of various chapters and listen to it repeatedly. It is an amazing technique. The best time to memorize theory subject is in morning. For the case study based question, I suggest you to write all the case study name in only one copy itself, so that before exam it will help you. Do not forget to give page number in your copy and book while studying. And talking about the section number, if you think that you can memorize and you can write an exam correctly, then only do that. Otherwise, don't do that. Last but not the least, solve scanner and check which chapter are coming repeatedly. Depending upon the marks weightage, start preparing accordingly. Do solve MTP, RTP previous year questions paper before attending your final exam. I hope this video helped you a lot. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up or make sure to subscribe my channel for more interesting and study related video for your CMA. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye and happy studying. Keep learning.